Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video I am going to explain about what are the programming elements whenever we are writing the Java program. So what are the main programming elements I am going to explain. See, we already discussed using programming languages. With the knowledge of programming, we are developing applications, right? In the previous videos we already discussed that. Suppose if you take the banking application, so what is the main asset of bank? What is the main person in banking application? Is a customer. Simply to say, is a account holder. Consider. So in bank application, suppose we are developing the program for account. Account holder is a program. We know already programming is for two reasons. So nothing but application is for two reasons only. One is to store the information. Second one is to manipulate that information. So nothing but perform operations on information. The first point is, suppose whenever you are writing the program as a developer, you need to think about that program information. Simply to say, data. If I ask, tell me what are the account details, what all the details you will tell comes under information. Account number, account holder name, what is the balance in account, IFSC code, all the details. All the details are technically called variables. Where you will store the information in a program means what? Into the variables. Here, whenever we are writing the program, why you are using variables? Just to store information. Every program has information, depends on your application. If it is banking application, account holder is an information. Suppose if it is hospital management system, patient details you have to maintain. Suppose if it is library management system, textbook information, student information, library information. Suppose if it is a Flipkart application, e-commerce application, right? Product details like one mobile details, camera details, all these things we need to maintain. Sir, programmatically, in program, where you will store this information means using the concept called variables. Variables we have to write. For example, here it is in the account, balance variable contains the value 5000. Consider 5000. When the balance will change? Suppose if you withdraw, if you perform withdraw operation, 2000 I just withdraw, then it will become 3000. I just deposit some amount, 4000 rupees I just deposit, then here it will become 7000. Suppose if I recharge the mobile with the 500 rupees, then it will become 6500. When you are performing the operations on data, which are called operations on data, all the data operations we do, technically the operations are called methods. Called what? Methods. Using methods we can perform all the data manipulations, all the data operations. Mainly whenever you are developing a program, simple, you are the programmer, right? So what is your task, right? At the end of the day, you have to develop applications. We have to develop applications. If we take one application, banking application, what is the purpose? Storing the information. All account holders information they have to store. After that, manipulate. You are writing the program, suppose account program. How can you store the information? What is the information? General examples. How you will store? Using the concept called variables. Okay, you have stored. Now to perform the operations, to modify the data, what we have to do? we use the concepts called methods. Variables are used to store information. Methods are used to perform operations on information. These are the programming elements. So, not only in Java application, in every programming language, what are the programming elements? You have to explain these two. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.